Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Alright, today I'm going to bring you an AC Moore's haul that I got. It is a rather small haul, but everything I got from AC Moore's was on sale. So, it's too funny. My dogs are playing right now. It is in this big bag, this AC Moore, oh you can say it, AC Moore bag right there. So, I will just get to showing you what I got. AC Moore's, I was so excited when I saw this. I wish I could go back out this week if I could. If they're still on sale, I'm going to see. But these are Spectrum Noir markers. And you guys know I do collect them. I got pretty much all the 24 set that I could. I believe there is 5 of them. And I got all 5. But there's some colors that were missing from them. And this one is the yellows. I didn't have a lot of yellows, so I got that one. These were $7. And normally they're $14.99, so they were half off, which I was very excited about. And this one is my browns. And I don't have a lot of browns. I have real dark brown and a tan, but not a lot of browns. So they were the two. They had the violet, the pinks, and the reds. So I might go back and get the violet and the pinks. I might get them. So they were $7 at AC Moore's. I did not think that they were that bad at all. I mean, that was a really good deal. And of course I got coupons from when I go back. Let's see, I spent $35 there. At this, and you know, at the corner of my videos you see that dragonfly, because that's my favorite symbol. And I love the dragonfly, so I did get a dragonfly punch. And this is from the Love, this is the Love Nicole series. It's 1.5 inches, which isn't a bad size. That's the inside. I haven't used it yet. You see it's still in there. It's because I've been so sick, and now I hurt my back, so I'm not having a good new year. It's not the way I thought it was going to go, but that's okay. And then the rest of this stuff, I did get some of these little, you know, picks for next year. They were really cheap. They were like 15 or 16 cents each. So I got that. And then my husband got me this sweatshirt here, and he put my saying on it, you know, Pam's Life, and here's my little dragonfly, and have an amazing day at the bottom. So he picked me up this wonderful sweatshirt, and he made it for me, and I really, really love it. So, and then I did get from Michael's. I do have it was only $4. I got the llama pages. I wanted to get it so bad when it was only 50% off, but now it was 70. So I think I only paid $1.24 for the llamas, and they're like this. I'll show you. They are so cute, and I can't wait for next year. I have a friend, Gigi, on here who loves llamas. And every time I see the llamas, I think of her every single time. So I just fell in love with this. This is the little borders. There's only 24 pages in here. It's the 6x6. So I mean, it's really nice to have to make a card. It's really nice to make a card or whatever out. And I also have the matching. Excuse me. I have the matching washi tape as well. Alright guys, I don't want to keep you too long because when I'm not feeling so well, Stormy is sitting here. She's purring away. But I wanted to say thank you so much for making my 2017 a wonderful year. And I know this year, 2018, we can even make it better. So I'm going to try to come up with some new videos for you guys, some crafting videos, so you can see what I've been doing in my craft room. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video, and like I always say, somehow, some way, I'll have an amazing day. You make your day amazing, and together, friends, we'll have an amazing day. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.